The one single keypad on the front of the door controls all of the power modules in the drive, so all parameters can be adjusted from the one keypad. The power modules are controlled via the keypad to a fiber optic connection, which will be common between the control boards. As you can see here, the control boards have a fiber optic connection from one control board down to the lower control board. Then off of those control boards, they're each wired into each power module. Each power module in this case would be rated for 550 horsepower. The input power module can handle the 550 horsepower, and so can the output module. So the same unit.